Love beauties, welcome back to my channel. This is your Barbie Chatterjee and I've created this beautiful Eid makeup look for you guys. Let me know how do you like it in the comment section down below. Do follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram ID will be mentioned on the screen, and yeah, please give it a like, share and subscribe, and also comment down below if you like this look. And let's get started with the tutorial. So first of all, I will be using the Pond's Superlight Gel Moisturizer to moisturize my face really nicely. I am going to dot it all over my face and gently massage it into my skin, and I just love this moisturizer. Next, I will be using the Swiss Beauty facial oil. This is a new launch by them. I'm currently trying this out. Next, I'll be using the Maybelline's Master Strobing Cream in the shade Nude and just buff it into my skin because it's gonna give a very beautiful glow. Next, I'm gonna use the Pack Pore Primer only on my T-zone, on my eyelids and my smile lines to just blur out all my pores. Next, I'll be using the Pack HD foundation in the shade 3.0 and the Maybelline Superstay in the shade 112 because it doesn't match me. So I am actually not applying the foundation on my neck, and I will be using the Cuffs and Lashes buffing brush to buff in the foundation. I'm not using the foundation on my neck because I won't be going out anywhere. So yeah, I'm just doing it on my face. Next, I'll be using the PAC's Eyebrow Pomade. This one is in the shade 03 Walnut Wax. I'm just brushing up my brows and I'm just filling it in. I'm lightly filling in the brows, and then I will be using the PAC Spotlight Concealer in the shade 9, I guess it's in the shade Melon. Then I will be using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder and just set under my eyes, and I'm also setting my smile lines. Next, for my contour, I will be using the NY Bay Contour Stick in the shade Toffee, and I will contour the cheekbones, my forehead, my nose as well as my jawline, and blend it out with the same foundation brush which I used to blend in the foundation, which is actually gonna give me a more flawless effect. So next, I will be using my blush. This is from Maybelline. This is in the shade 04, and I'm going to just take it on my back of my hand and then take it on a brush and blend it on my cheeks. I'm also taking the blush on my nose and also my chin to give it a very beautiful soft glow. Next, I'm going to use the Milani XL bronzer. This one is in the shade 01, and apply that on the contours of my cheek. Next, for blush, I'm using the Makeup Revolution blush in the shade Ballerina and apply that on my cheeks and setting everything in place with the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. Next, I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade, I guess it's Molten Gold, yeah, and highlighting my brow bone and cheekbones. Just see the beautiful glow it gives. I just love it so much. Next, I am also applying that on my bridge of my nose and also my cupid's pull. Now let's move on to the eyes, and for my eyes, I will be using the Maybelline Collosal Kajal and apply that on my waterline, and using the Makeup Revolution soph Extra Spice eyeshadow palette, I'm using the black shade to smudge my lower lash line. Next, I'm using this light orange shade with a big fluffy brush on my crease, and then I'm going to take this deeper brown shade, like it's actually a light brown shade, and place it actually like exactly on my crease. Next, I'm using this beautiful shimmer shade from the palette, and with the help of a flat shader brush, I'm going to apply that all over my eyelid really nice. I'm using the My Glam Eyebrow and Eyeliner Duo and apply, like just extending my inner corners a little bit. Next, using the Mars Mascara, I am going to curl my lashes. Next, I'm going to use the MAC Retro Matte lipstick in the shade Top with Brandy and outline my lips with that. Next, in the center of my lips, I'm going to use the Maybelline Sensational Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade 04 and blend it. And then I'm going to only apply the gloss on the center of my lips. This one is by Palladio Plump and Shine in the shade Mauvey. And here is the final look, you guys. Let me know how do you like it. I absolutely love this look, this extended inner corner and smoked out wing. And yeah, do subscribe to my channel.